Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you delete your post in Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to delete your post, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after that tap to this yellow Binance logo into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see Square option. Tap to Square, and after tapping into Binance Square you will get to see a bunch of options. You will get this option of content into very first. Tap into the contents, and after going into this content page, if you have posted the contents, you can see so many options or posts that you have posted. Now you just simply have to select the content or the post you have posted which you would like to delete. And after that, delete button will appear there. You just simply have to tap there and delete your post. This way you can very easily delete your post into Binance Square. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.